Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I would like to share with you a mixture, a combination of the European style and the Nigerian style of eating sandwich. So we're going to be combining both, and I call today's dish Akara Sandwich. So what do I mean? Is this not lovely? The Akara and everything there. This is bacon and this is cheese, everything. Come along with me and let's do this together. For our Akara sandwich, because that is what we are making today, we need beans. It's peeled and washed. This is bacon. I love it being smoked bacon. And this is ham. I have onion and tatashe. I don't like my akara to be spicy, that's why I didn't have the rodo, the scotch bonnet pepper, but if you want it spicy you can add. I have here cheese. This one is very nice, beechwood smoked cheese. But if you don't have cheese, you can omit it, or you can use any cheese of your choice. And this is Nigerian bread. See, very soft. I just went to get it from the bakery. Very soft. You can use any bread of your choice, but I love my akara to go with Nigerian bread. If you want it spicy, you can use radish and mustard sauce, or mustard sauce, anyone you want, or you can just leave it. I love pickles in my home, and that's what I'm using. If you don't like it, just leave it. This is oil for frying, and this is sandwich spread. I just want a combination of the European style of sandwich and the African style of sandwich mixed together. And this is the veg I'm going to be using. I'm just going to fill it with this veg. It's washed and ready to use. And if you like, you can just leave it out. Lettuce and all the stuff, you can just leave it out. But I love mine to be like that. And this will go into the oven to make it crispy. The next step is to blend my washed beans with the onion and the pepper. Now what I will do is I'll be adding some salt and 1 cube of Maggi to it. And this is the first time it's blended. So to make your akara very fluffy, the trick is blend it again. You know, back in Nigeria, the women that sell akara, you know what they do? They put it in the mortar and they use the pestle to make it very fluffy. That is hard job, because I know if they have this blender or hand blender, they'll be able to do it faster. So what I will do, when I add this to the mixture, I'm going to blend it again and make it very fluffy. Now it's ready for frying. See how fluffy it is. So I'll be using my oil to fry. I'll be adding more to this oil. This is just for presentation. The oil is on the stove. It's there and it's ready. So let's check if it is ready. The bubbles are coming up. It's ready for frying. So I'll just put the akara there. It depends on how you want it. If you want it bigger, you are free to. You are in charge. I know that the mixture of akara is far different from moi moi. Moi moi will be more watery, Akara is just fine like this. And if you like what you've seen so far, please like this video, share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time we upload new video. Now just turn it over to the other side so that it will be well cooked. And in Nigeria, you know, the woman is selling akara, you know what they use? They use a long stick to turn the akara over. It's giving me that feeling of Niger akara. The measurement of everything I'm using is in the description box. Please check them out. The akara, they are ready to be taken off the oil. So put them over a towel or paper towel or kitchen towel so that the excess oil would be on the towel. It's time to assemble. So what I did was to cut the whole bread into half, and I sliced it open, put my veg in, my sandwich spread, this is going to be so yummy. Are you feeling it already? Then this is the cheese. In goes the hot akara, cheese and hot akara, very nice. My pickles. What a nice combination, right? Good. Then a little of the ham. Find a way to tuck it in. The flavor is going to give. Okay. Now I'm going to put my horseradish with mustard. Finally, the bacon. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Is your mouth watering? This we do. And let me just top it up with my spread, sandwich spread. And this is it. Is this not lovely? Oh, I can't wait to bite into it. Then I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. You can either have it with tea or coffee. I'm going to have mine with coffee. When it comes to cooking, it's just good for you to explore. Like we have explored today, we have brought together the combination of European style of eating sandwich and Niger style of eating sandwich, and it is a perfect combination. You have created new thing, and the taste, oh my, is so heavenly. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Just click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time we upload new video. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know how it is, how you like it, or what you expect to see more on this channel. I'm going to enjoy my Akara sandwich. Till next time, bye.